In today's digital age, where online shopping has become the norm, businesses are constantly seeking ways to turn casual website visitors into loyal customers. The journey from browsing to buying can often be a challenging one, but with the right conversion optimization techniques in place, it becomes an achievable goal. In this article, we will explore 6 effective strategies that can help transform those casual browsers into devoted buyers. Streamline the user experience. When it comes to converting visitors into customers, user experience is paramount. A seamless and intuitive website design not only enhances customer satisfaction but also increases the likelihood of them making a purchase. To achieve this, ensure your website is easy to navigate by organizing products or services into logical categories and implementing clear calls to action, CTAs. Additionally, optimize loading times as slow websites can deter potential buyers. Personalize your approach. One size doesn't fit all when it comes to attracting and retaining customers. Personalization is key in creating a tailored experience for each visitor that resonates with their needs and preferences. Utilize data analytics tools to gather insights about your audience's behavior and interests so you can offer personalized recommendations or targeted promotions based on their previous interactions with your site. Build trust through social proof. In an era where trust is crucial for online transactions, leveraging social proof techniques can significantly impact conversion rates positively. Displaying customer reviews and testimonials prominently on your website helps build credibility and reassures potential buyers that others have had positive experiences with your brand or product. Optimize checkout process. The checkout process plays a vital role in determining whether a visitor completes their purchase or abandons their cart midway through the transactional journey out of frustration or confusion. Simplify the checkout process by minimizing required steps while still capturing necessary information for order fulfillment purposes. Strike a balance between convenience and security. Offering multiple payment options can also cater to different customer preferences, further reducing friction during the checkout process. Implement exit intent pop-ups. Exit intent pop-ups are a powerful tool to recapture the attention of visitors who are about to leave your website without making a purchase. These pop-ups can offer incentives such as discounts, free shipping, or exclusive content in exchange for their email address or completing their purchase within a limited time frame. By providing an extra nudge at the right moment, you increase the chances of converting those almost lost customers into loyal buyers. Utilize retargeting campaigns. Not all visitors will convert on their first visit to your website. However, that doesn't mean they should be forgotten. Retargeting campaigns allow you to stay top of mind by displaying targeted advertisements across various platforms based on users' previous interactions with your site. This technique serves as a gentle reminder and encourages them to return and complete their purchase. In conclusion, turning casual visitors into loyal customers requires strategic conversion optimization techniques that prioritize user experience, personalization, trust-building elements like social proof, streamlining the checkout process, implementing exit intent pop-ups and utilizing retargeting campaigns effectively. By streamlining the user experience through intuitive design and clear CTAs while personalizing approaches based on individual preferences and behaviors gathered from data analytics tools, businesses can create an environment that resonates with potential buyers emotionally. Building trust through social proof reassures hesitant customers by showcasing positive reviews and testimonials from satisfied clients who have experienced your brand firsthand. Optimizing the checkout process reduces friction during transactions while offering multiple payment options caters to diverse customer preferences, ultimately increasing conversion rates significantly. Implementing exit intent pop-ups provides one last opportunity for engagement before visitors leave your site entirely. Incentivizing them with exclusive offers or discounts can encourage them to reconsider leaving empty-handed. Lastly, utilizing retargeting campaigns keeps your brand top of mind for potential customers who didn't convert on their initial visit, increasing the chances of them returning and completing a purchase. By implementing these 6 conversion optimization techniques, businesses can bridge the gap between casual browsing and loyal customer acquisition. Remember, it's not just about attracting visitors to your website but also providing an exceptional experience that compels them to become repeat buyers.